great. I mean, it's well organized. It's really great organized. I mean, and there are a lot of interesting people, and the places are great, and I've seen good films. Very good films, and it's great to be here. Of course, I think because you get in contact with the people, and I think it's very important that you have the discussion afterwards, and they really try to bring the filmmakers. Most of the filmmakers are here, and I think that's great because it's after the film. It's good to have a discussion with the audience, and of course, I think it could change. I mean, it brings ideas to people's mind, and what they will do with it, it's their own thing. But of course, it creates a kind of awareness, I'm sure. Yeah, and this different view, the different perspectives in a way people have. Never try you make a test shooting, and you won't use the material. And you will do the real shooting afterwards. Ever film everything like you will use it for the editing process. I mean, if you go somewhere and say, okay, we just go around with the camera and just do something like a test shooting. I did that for the film, and I won't do it again. I will always use. I will always try to film everything like I will use it for the editing process. No, absolutely not. No, just filming always like you will just.
You will actually use that.
Of course, because you could use everything. You could use everything in the end. For the editing, it's really important. So that's something I've learned. No, not more material, but not doing test shootings. I don't know.